Hello everyone. Most of the students face problem in managing their time in reading module. Here I will share one simple trick to finish this module on time. Okay, we all know about different types of questions asked in reading module. We can divide those questions into two parts or two types. And the first type is where the answers will be in sequence. Okay, this type include MCQ, true false not given, yes no not given, fill in the blanks, summary, flowchart completion, and diagram completion. In this type of question, read first question and mark its keyword. After marking the keyword, scan that keyword. When you get that word, then read that area very carefully. If you get the keyword, it does not mean you will get the right answer. You need to read that area carefully. Like that sentence which include keyword along with two sentences above and below it. In this way, you can easily get the right answer. The bonus point is next answer will be below the previous answer. So you do not need to read the above sentences again. This will save you a lot of time as well as confusion. There is another type where where the answer will not be in sequence. And this type include heading, match it with names, finding information in passage. You cannot skim and scan here. Here, you need to read each sentence of the first paragraph at slow pace. Convert that sentences and paragraph into your native language. Then write the central idea. Do not read option before writing the central idea because it can create confusion. Okay, after writing central idea, read the options and eliminate the ones which are completely vague. There will be still some one, two, or three options which will be creating confusion for you. Then keep that one, two, or three options where you have doubt and match their each and every word your central idea first, then with the words in the passage. Once you locate one or two inappropriate words in the options, you will be able to find the right answer. But you need to practice daily for better results. In case of choosing a title, pay attention to the opening and closing paragraphs of the passage. You will get the idea, but don't spend too much time on this question because it is only worth 1 point. These were the simple but effective tricks to save and manage time in reading module. Best of luck, everyone!